Shiba Millionaire, Shiba Profit. In this video, I'm going to break down what your Shiba BAT will look like or could look like in the future. I'm using the pricing as we see here as a springboard. Positive news is coming up with Shiba Inu. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. Let's break this down. So if you have $500 invested, it will get you about this amount of Shiba Inu, which is still pretty good. Now, as we move forward in price in the future, and I do a market cap estimation, this is what it will look like if it hit these certain targets. So your profit, let's say it crosses a zero, you're looking at $3,877 from a $500 profit, but the market cap does have to move up to the 55 billions. So that actually can happen in the future. I can see that happening again or in the future as well. Now, these last two here will take a lot to happen, more bullish news like this that will push the price up. But this is just an estimation for fun and not financial advice, just to kind of show you what these things will look like in the future. Now, let's continue going down. Now, look at this here, Shiba to millions. Now, if you invested $1,000, you do get a more amount of Shiba Inu. But here's the thing about this. When it starts to move up $10,000 in terms of the value from a $1,000 investment. So if you look at your profit here, you will see that I subtracted in this calculation the profit, which is this, the value, and you subtracted the $1,000 and it'll get you the profit over to the right side. So just give you a little bit of an estimation in the future. And check this out. This thing hits 1 cent. You're looking at $1 million. $1 million from a $1,000 profit. So it showed you, but that market cap will have to be in the trillions of dollars. Let's continue moving forward. Now, here's another estimation, Shiba to millions. Now, $5,000 invested, and this is today, matter of fact. This is today on today's prices. Give a little bit of an estimation. So 383 million tokens for our $5,000 investment of those tokens, Shiba tokens. So if you go and look at the value, it gives you $5,000. It's a Shiba profit. It's not very much. Okay. But here's the thing is when it moves up in price, if it does, not financial advice, but if it moves up in price, you're looking at a $38,000 value, which gives you a $33,000 profit. And this right here, like I've been saying, I can see this happen. I can see this happening. And can I see this happen in the future? Well, I mean, anything is possible. I just want to show you what could happen. But if it does happen with a $5,000 investment, you're looking at a pretty nice profit of $382,000. But look at this, the 1 cent dream, the Shiba 1 cent dream. It looks like this, $3 million. Over $3 million. Crazy amount. And check this out here. Here's the final one I'm going to show you. $10,000 investment. Definitely get you the $1 million a little quicker as the price move up on Shiba. But all you would need to do is pretty much a couple of zeros off the current price and will get you closer to that $1 million of a $10,000 investment. It depends on when you invest in the Shiba. If you're a long-term OG Shiba holder, then you may be close to this already, or you may be there already. So let me go back to the $500 investment. Don't feel bad about, hey, I don't have enough Shiba. $500 get you a decent amount of Shiba, but if you hold dollar cost average, you know, this is not financial advice. Anything can happen. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. More good news will definitely help out with Shiba and the price in the future. Use this as a springboard of what could happen with your Shiba profits. It's not financial advice. It's entertainment purposes. Just wanted to show you what it would look like if you did $1,000, and if it hit 1 cent, you're looking at $1 million. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.